it is AG Lover here. Sorry. And today I am starting a new series called The Slime Factory. Oh, it's backwards. I'll have to fix that. And what this is going to be is about slime. Slime. So every video we're going to have a word of the day. And then it will be called the slimy word of the day because we're going to cover it in slime at the end of the video. So, let me just get that word. The word is first. Great. First, yes. I have to write it backwards because it's a freaking camera. So I'm going to put this magnet to my whiteboard. It's going to be over there first. Okay, so the first video is just telling you what this is going to be about and saying hello and stuff. So, at the end of the video, I'm going to be covering it in this slime. I'm going to show you the slime. It's this pink, jiggly slime. Just get it out. So, here's the slime. I'm going to do an ASMR. So there's the slime. It is very great. It's kind of sticky, which I want it to stick to the word because it's the slimy word of the day. Of the video. So, yes. The slime, we're not going to put all of this in. I put it in this little container because the rest of it is here. It's a fluffy slime. It was first fluffy slime, then I added some water to make it jiggly, so yes. It's very droopy though. So anyway, I'm going to show you my favorite slime. That's going to be part of the video. It is this slime. It's fluffy butter slime. Just gonna get it all out and I'll be back with an ASMR. So here it is. It's not very clicky because, again, it's a butter slime, but I just added, it was fluffy slime, but then I made it like fluffy butter slime, so kind of spreads, but kind of doesn't. But it kind of feels like cake batter slime, you know? So I'm planning on putting like some colorful foam beads in. It looks a lot lighter on the camera, but it's really not. It's kind of darker yellow. So I'm going to shut up and do the ASMR. This is my favorite thing to do with the slime. Do this and then make it swirl. Okay, so that's enough with the ASMR. I'm just going to put this back. And this container barely fits this slime. I don't know why. Because look. Sometimes it does this. It's like really weird. See? It's like overflowing, but I can fit this on. Bubbles. Okay, so that's better. See, it's like barely in there. But whatever. Okay, so let me show you two more of my slimes. This one, the unicorn slime. It was all purple and pink and blue. But, yeah, it changed to purple. All of these are like a lot lighter than what they usually are, so I'm gonna get to an ASMR and maybe change the lighting to make it better. I hope that's better. I can't really tell. This is a fluffy slime. I'm gonna be quiet, and sorry if my nails hit the table or if it moves. I'm gonna shut up and do the ASMR. Like I like to call it slime ASMR. Yeah. So that was my unicorn ASMR. Oh, the lighting is better. So I put most of my slimes in these little cute containers. They came with a squishies, which are like across the room right now, so I'm not gonna get. Sorry. And my last slime I'm going to show you is this light pink butter slime. Yay. So I call this strawberry butter because I really want to taste strawberry butter if it was a thing. No, my knife broke. I guess I'm gonna have to spread with my hands. Okay, so ASMR time. So I am going to spread this with a pin to see how it goes. I mean, it's not as good as a butter knife, but I mean, oh well. So that is my butter slime. It looks a lot darker on the camera. I wish it was that dark in real life because it's really light. It's kind of a salmon color. I don't know, but it's really like pink. So now it's time to slimify the slimy. Word of the day. Yay. First. It looks really weird. So I have the slime ready. Now let's get to pouring. Here it is. My handwriting is the best, right? So I'm just going to pour under. It's not coming off. So, oh my god. Just watch it drip. The paper got so much more heavier. See if I can do a slime ASMR. I mean, it doesn't click. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Wow. I mean, it came off. So I'm going to do that again. Do the rest of it. Now I'm going to spread it so it won't come off this time. There's a little glitter in there. Look at it. Look at it. Oh. Oh, I'm gonna mix this together. See what kind of slime makes. Okay, so. Yeah, I don't think. What? Okay, the paper is just unslimable because it comes off. So I'm just gonna put this away. There is my first slimy word of the day. Bye, guys!